Like what you see, this balloon centerpiece bouquet is surprisingly very easy to construct. No kits or special materials required. All you will need are 5-inch white balloons, a single 36-inch balloon, and a set of 12-inch white, silver, and purple balloons. To inflate our 5-inch balloons, I recommend using a hand pump. You can use an electric pump to inflate the others. Last but not least, a balloon tying tool. You will also need a reel of string or ribbon to wrap your balloons together to make the balloon arrangement. The first step is to inflate your 12-inch balloons and tie them together in pairs. Now wrap these pairs around each other to create a balloon quad. Quads form the basic structure of this design. Use a balloon sizing tool or just your intuition to get a consistent size among the balloons. Repeat the same process for the 5-inch balloons by creating pairs, then creating quads. Does it seem easy and straightforward so far? If you are following and enjoying this video, hit like to let YouTube share this video with other balloon lovers like yourself. For more easy to do balloon decoration tips and ideas, hit subscribe and the bell to get more creative video ideas in the future. Now let's put this bad boy together. Take 2 of the 12-inch quads and stack them together. Wrap your string or ribbon over both quads and make a knot at the top. Wrap the string twice around both quads and pull it tight. Wrap the quads tightly together to improve the balance of the structure. A loosely tied arrangement is prone to toppling. Add the third 12-inch quad and wrap the string around the 2 top quads in the arrangement. Repeat the same process by adding the 5-inch quads in the mix. I must reiterate the importance of firmly wrapping these quads, especially the 5-inch quads. This will ensure they can manage the larger balloons that will be wrapped on top of them. Now that the 5-inch layer is complete, add the last 12-inch quad. Our balloon centerpiece topper will be a large 36-inch balloon. Tie your string around the balloon, then wrap it onto the arrangement. Our balloon centerpiece bouquet is a bit top heavy. To improve the overall stability, we added a small water-filled 5-inch balloon to the bottom. We attached it to the existing string using a balloon flower clip we had on hand. However, you could have just as easily tied it with string or ribbon. Here is the outcome, a quick and easy build. You can use this as a table centerpiece, balloon bouquet, or as a balloon column. We have tons of more DIY balloon decoration ideas that we know you will love. Like, subscribe, and click the bell notification to get alerted when we release our next video. Don't forget to visit balloonblowout.com for more tutorials on all things balloon decor. See you there.